What's up guys, Amanda right here, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking the Cadillac for a spin at Bithlo. No idea what it's gonna run. It does have the Joker's ported blower on it this time around. We're thinking probably low 10s. We honestly don't know. The track is pretty popular tonight, so we're gonna go ahead and load up in the lanes and see what happens. I'll see you in just a minute.
Hell yeah. 10-3. Personal best.
Alright guys, so I just did my first pass here at OSW with the Cadillac with the Joker's ported blower on it. I'm pretty happy because it's a PR, so I'll show you the slip right here. Alright, so my launch reaction time was a 0.4, but it was Pro Tree. The guy next to me that broke clearly wanted to do a Pro Tree. I was like, fine, whatever. So my reaction time's crap. My 60 foot's a 1.5, not bad, but I did get a PR 1033 at 133 mile an hour. So I will take that as a win for my first pass with the Joker's ported blower. So we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit, and that is with no ice, none of that. I barely did anything except for foot braking. I might have gotten a little bit, but barely any. And yeah. The IHE2s were pretty good. They were like solid 100 when I left, 113 when I ended. It bucked a little bit about probably at the 1,000 foot. I don't know what that was, but I did log it for cows. So we're gonna go ahead and let it cool down, get back in the lanes, and see what it does for round number 2. Alright guys, so I'm about to do my second run. And if you look really closely at this camera, it says no SD on the GoPro. So I've been talking to the GoPro this entire time and it hasn't been recording, so I'm very sorry about that. But I am about to run my second pass now, so we will see what it does.
The Cadillac getting ready for a Cadillac attack.
Our first test and tune for Cadillac Attack. I did 2 passes tonight. Track was a little bit busy. The second pass was pretty good, another PR. This time I am on the right lane here. I got a 10.2 at 132.95. It's doing some weird, the car's doing some weird like bucking thing, like all the way out by the 1,000 foot, like it loses power or something. I don't know what it's doing. I did log it with N-Gauge, so I'm gonna send that to Cal. Hopefully he can figure out what it's doing. And I did tell you all of this on the GoPro, but then I realized I didn't have an SD card. So either way, we're gonna wrap up the Cadillac now. head home, and we'll be back next Wednesday, hopefully with a new tune. Maybe something that's gonna help that little bump at the end. It's definitely not gas related because we put more gas in just to be safe. I'm not sure what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Hoosiers off, my dailies back on, and call it a night. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, guys, and I will see you next week.